Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update the Blink Home Monitor app on iPhone. Keeping the app update helps to fix problem and improve performance. First, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Once the App Store opens, tap your profile picture in the right corner of the screen. This will take you to the account and update page. Scroll down until you see the list of apps that needs update. Look for Blink Home Monitor in the list. If you see an update button next to it, it means a new version is available. Tap the update button next to the Blink Home Monitor. If asked, confirm using your Face ID, Touch ID or Apple ID password. The app will start updating. Wait until the app button changes to open. Once the update is finished, tap open. You can also find the app on your home screen and open it from there. Your Blink app is updated and ready to use. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.